my slippery little slimers. Welcome back to another SLAYANNA slime review. Today, I have a few slimes from the wonderful @MamaNeedsHerSlime over on TikTok that I will be reviewing. First up is Pumpkin Slime Latte. Oh, that's a bouncy one. Perfect for fall. Oh. Oh, wow, that is bitter. I usually prefer my coffee on the stronger side. This is perfect for me. Oh. I have to rate this one a 10 out of 10. Next up, we have @MamaNeedsHerSlime's newest product, 5-course slime rib dinner. Ooh, ooh. Oh. Yummy in my tummy. This was absolutely delicious @MamaNeedsHerSlime. The chicken hors d'oeuvres were only slightly underdone. I have to give this one an 11 out of 10. Oh, I'm very excited about this next slime. We have @MamaNeedsHerSlime's signature creation, the Cabernet Slime Mignon. Be warned, younger viewers, this slime is 21 plus. I'm already feeling a little woozy. Not sure if that's from the alcohol or the borax, but either way, I would have to rate this one a 21 out of 10. Well, we only have one slime left to review today, Slimers, and I have to admit, @MamaNeedsHerSlime went a little crazy with this one. This one is Crystal Methamphetamine Slime @MamaNeedsHerSlime. You are bananas, girlfriend. All right, let's give it a try. Whoa, this slime is making me feel a little funny, but Breaking Bad is my favorite show. So I have to rate this one a slime out of 10. I mean a crime out of 10. I mean a 9 out of 10. Anyways, smash that like button and be sure to check out @MamaNeedsHerSlime's TikTok shop.